Hi, I'm Tomi of Every Curve Counts, and I was just getting ready to go out and sing because I've got to sing this evening, and I know I'm all dressed up. I've got my jewelry on, my full makeup, my hair done, and I remember that I wanted to plant some seeds. I wanted to plant some lettuce, some green beans, some kale, shell peas, and so that's what I'm going to do right now and show you the simplicity of how I grow my produce in what you've probably seen in my backyard, which is called the Tower Garden. This is called rock wool. It's an organic compound, and this is how I start my seeds. This is an old shell pea, and I actually grow my own seeds too. And what I do is I dry one of the shell peas, see, like that, and I just put it in one of these little rock wool. I also have lettuce, little lettuce seeds. And all I do is I take a little spoonful of lettuce seeds, I put it inside the rock wool, okay? And I just go down, and I'm gonna do that with my kale, my little curled kale I have. I have some marigolds and also basil. These are my basil seeds that I grow from my basil plants. Then you take what's called vermiculite, if you can see that in the spoon. It's just something to cover the seeds with. You just cover it a little bit. Then you take a little bit of water, you sprinkle that water over the vermiculite onto the seed, and you want to hibernate this, germinate it for about 24 hours in a dark space. And in about 2 or 3 days, you're going to see little seedlings pop up. You take each cube, you separate the cube, and you just pop it into the Tower Garden outside. So really, it's just going to take me a few more minutes to fill the rest of this rock wool up, and that's how I grow my garden. Without any dirt, without any weeds, no tilling, no fertilizing. It's a lot easier, at least for me it is. Anyway, I hope that has given you some insight on how simple a tower garden could be for you and your family to grow your own produce, organic and safe. Have a wonderful night. Thanks for listening.